I am at a store called Party Box. I found a gumball machine, and how this works, you put a quarter, turn the handle, and the gumball comes out, and try to get it into there for a free balloon. You know, let's give it a try. Oh great, it's broken. Oh cool, you gotta be kidding me, man. Oh, that one's broken. Oh, it's out of order. Oh shit. No shit. No shit. Both broken. No shit. They're both broken. 2 broken vending machines in a row. Try this thing. Oh damn. Cool gumball machine. There's a button. Oh damn. Need 2 hands to use both of the flippers, but gotta have a gumball. Well, prizes for the day: a gumball and 2 bouncy balls. You know what? Let's try the bouncy ball machine again. Target. One more time for the hell of it. Oh damn, didn't hit it good enough, but we got 4 bouncy balls. Well, apparently this gumball machine is broken. That's why it has an out of order sign. And this one is broken too. Real friggin' hilarious. I just put money in a broken machine. Well, 4 bouncy balls. So anyway, see you guys later.